Hey everyone, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can create a basic HTML file in your computer. So I have already created a folder on my desktop. You can see it's named HTML. The folder is named as HTML. So you just need to open Notepad. So if you're in a Mac, then you need to use TextEdit and make sure you convert the in the format. Go to the format and make sure change it to plain text. Then only you are able to create an HTML file. But since you're in your if you're in your Windows, just follow my step. So first, you just need to type in these tags. So these are called tags. The word written between these two greater sign less than known as tags. So then you need to close the tag by adding a slash in this, and like that. Then you have closed this tag. So this tells the document that this is a HTML file. Then what you need to do is to add a head. That's for the heading, and of course you don't want to put your text inside the head, so you need to close it, right? So let's close it. Then let's add inside of head you need to add the title. That means what title is your document. So my document title is, let's say, YouTube. Alright, so now when you have done, then you just need to go and after the closing tag of head, add a space and then just type in h1 and close this, of course. Now I'm going to tell you, so this tag is used to add text in your document. So I'm going to tell you what is h1. So I'm going to just copy this, and at 6 I'm going to write it 6. So it's basically the font size of it. So I'm going to type in hello. You're going to able to see, you can type anything in between this. I'm going to say hello. Alright, so let's say add this as well. So now let's just save it. So if you want to save it, I'm gonna save it in my text HTML folder and desktop. So make sure you can write any name of your document. In my case I'm gonna write index. Now make sure when you save it, save as type, it's going to say text documents. You're going to click on all files and make sure at the end use .html. This tells the document that this is an HTML file. Then click on save, and I'm going to minimize it. Then you can see it's showing a browser icon, but I don't want to open it in this. I'm going to open it in Google Chrome. So you can see the title here that says YouTube, and you can see the h1 tag which we have written earlier. This is the h1 and h6. So h1 is this, the bigger one, and h6 is the smaller one. So and if I write, maybe let's say h3, right? So h3 is in the middle of this. Let me put this h3 and close this tag as well. I'm gonna write hello. Oh, right. I'm gonna save this and reload my document. You're gonna see like this. So this means this is the greater, this is the less greater, and this is the smaller text. Alright, so yeah, this is how you can add text in your document. If you like this video somehow, like, share, and subscribe. Bye.